Everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing and swatching the stuff that came in this month's Artsnacks box. The Artsnacks box for January 2020. Let's get right into it. The snack we got this time is some Smarties. And as always, we got our cute little Artsnacks logo sticker in a slightly different design. The first piece of art supplies we got in this month's box is a KLoganArt Original Gold 9300 Series Golden Taklon Brush, shader size 10. And this is normally $14.99 retail. KLoganArt designs their brushes with the artist in mind, manufacturing them to survive years of steady use. Their original Gold 9300 series Golden Taklon brush features smooth filaments that have been baked for softness and optimal absorption. The square shape of the shader brush helps create crisp edges and offers precise control in tight spaces. The bristles on this do feel really nice, soft, and flexible. Feels like it's great for watercolor. The next item they gave us is a pencil, specifically a Tombow Mono drawing pencil. Mine is in H, and this is normally $140 retail price. A successful sketch starts with a good graphite pencil. The Tombow Mono drawing pencil is smooth and strong to the core, which means you'll experience fewer broken points. This superior, high-density graphite produces smear-proof lines and crisp, clean drawings. I did notice when I sharpened it that it sharpens fairly easily. It holds well, just feels like a nice H pencil. I don't know how much I needed another H pencil, but so far this seems like it's a pretty nice one. The following item is a Marabou art crayon, and this is normally $3.99 retail. Add an exciting twist to your artwork with the Marabou art crayon. This buttery smooth wax-based pastel stick is suitable for both wet and dry techniques. The highly pigmented color easily blends and pops off the page when brushed with water. If the tip wears down, just rotate the retractable body to produce more. I thought this was going to be a purple, but on paper it actually looks more like a magenta. It's more pinky toned to me. Seems like it mixes with the water fairly well, and you can get a variety of watercolor hues with it. Definitely looks like watercolor when the water is used. The final item that came in this month's box is a Sennelier Abstract Acrylic 3D Liner, and this is normally $4.95 retail. This is a new product and is also a staff favorite. Paint in a new dimension with the Sennelier Abstract Acrylic 3D Liner. This unique tool has a tapered tip that allows you to apply paint directly onto your canvas with ease. Achieve 3D effects, contouring, and precise line work with this creamy, heavy body paint. The transparent tube allows you to see the paint's true color and can also be refilled with more Sennelier Abstract Acrylic paint once empty. I really like the color of this. I also like the idea of being able to do those 3D effects. This is what I'm most interested about in this box. That is everything that came in the January 2020 Artsnacks box. I literally have no idea what I'm going to do with this stuff. I'm not even really sure how I feel about it yet. I'll have to see when I get into a project, which that video will be up on Friday, exactly what I figure out with it and play around with it a little bit more before I make any decisions. I do know that I am not as excited going into this project as I have been with some other ones more recently. But for now, this video is done. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you want to tell me what you did with what came in this month's box, please let me know in that comment section down below. Look forward to hearing from you. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do want to take this moment to thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it. And I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you will be hearing from me fairly soon. Bye, everybody!